Good morning. It is Saturday and we have a full day ahead of us. Actually, a full weekend ahead of us. So, several things this weekend. I need to separate out my breeding groups, switch those around, get my October breeding groups in that were supposed to be done last weekend, but we were still in hay, so that didn't get done. So that's on the weekend. There's supposed to be rain tonight, so we're trying to tarp our hay in between my husband finishing up the last couple fields of hay for the neighbors. What else we got to do? Oh, corn. We got to get corn done. That was supposed to be done last weekend too, but again, we were in hay, so that didn't happen. And there's just the usual stuff. Laundry, dishes, clean the house, dust it. Harvest is going full blown right now. So they chop cornfields on both sides of us. They're doing spuds, I think, across the road, and then I think these are beans over here that they're going to get started on, and then they're still doing beets up the road, and so it is just dusty everywhere. But oh yeah, and we got to take my ram Hook is going down the road to the neighbors, going to get a couple new girlfriends for about the next 4 or 6 weeks. We have a friend of ours that's got some ewes, but she doesn't have a ram or really want to even keep a ram, so we just lend her one of ours every year, and then she gives us a ewe lamb in return. So it works out really good for all of us. I get an extra sheep. She gets a ram that she can use and not have to keep and worry about, and gives my boy a job. So yeah, I think that is the weekend. Sheep, tarp, corn, more sheep. Yeah, we'll see how far we get, because and he's still moving hay, so we're really limited on time. But I get a 3-day weekend. Don't have to go to work Monday, but I do have to go to work today, so we're gonna start there. And then when I get home, we will probably start with the sheep. Oh yeah, I can't. The barn is still torn apart, so that will be first. We got to get that figured out, because I would rather use the barn and the chute and get the sheep in and use that whole handling system than try to do it the way we used to do it. Basically set up a pen out in the pasture and sort through that pen, which we've done it before. We can do it again. It's not ideal, but before we had this system, it's what we did for 5 years. So 4 years. 4 years. We did it for 4 years. So yeah, we'll start there. Go to work, come home, get more coffee, and then check out the barn, see what we need to do to get it fixed, tarp that hay, then do sheep. That is my plan for the morning. Any bets? Just got home from town. My husband is home, so I'm heading down to the barn. We're going to tarp that hay. I got nails to fix. Oh, I see it in my road. To fix the. What are we fixing? The barn. Hi. What's up?
Just texting Shayla the camera. Ouch!
He had these, he had like a spirally one, and then he had one that almost looked like a screw, but it was a nail.
Spell a CDO?
E-S-E-V, there's a U in there somewhere. E-S-U-E-V-I-O.
You got a B in it now. Put down.
Okay. So yeah, these were my pick too. That's what I told him. And look, he gave me a mask.
Oh, because you went in without one.
I did. I don't have one. Rihanna keeps stealing them.
I know.
So yeah, so
That's the
Fidel.
reason I just keep mine in my pocket.
I know. I usually keep one right here, but Rihanna keeps stealing
It
them.
was in the house, I noticed.
Yeah, because she stole it yesterday for school.
Let me shut the door.
Okay. So we're headed to Tarpey. Rain's coming tonight, and we can't afford to lose any hay this year. So when I talked about needing to fix the barn, so this alleyway has been cleared out, and they took the gate, but so I'll have to get a new gate for there. But they also took down all of the boards, or not boards, the wire. You can see out there the wire that was across all these boards. So I guess now's as good a time as any to fix it. So we're going to we kept all of the old boards, so we're just going to put these up here. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, so 9 boards, and hopefully we have enough of them. Hey Casper. So we've got this pile here, and I guess we will figure out tomorrow how to make that work and get this, and then we'll have to kind of put something so that they don't try, like the lambs that are still little, don't try squirting through places. We'll probably just put a panel up there. But tomorrow's project is to bring the sheep in. Okay, we'll go around that way again.
You know, I was gonna turn around so that you could video yourself.
Why?
I don't know, I thought you'd want to.
You want to video you?
Sure, I look pretty.
You can do mother-daughter loader talks.
I thought we decided it ran out of gas, not battery.
Both. Somebody left the key on.
I don't know who you're talking about. I'd never do that.
So,
I've never done that.
Nope, never ever, huh?
Never. Nope. Must have been a ghost. Must have been Casper. Sorry. Who are you and why is your baby so adorable?
And I'll start feeding and throwing hay. And are you gonna shower before work?
No, I'll shower after work. When I get home at like 2. It'll be most likely around 1 again.
Okay. Just lock the back door when you get home.
I'll try to remember. Yeah, Halloween night I think it's gonna be the latest night.
That's what I figured. The closer you get toward Halloween, the longer you'll be working.
Yeah.
Well, we got our rain. Did we need it? Yes. Did I want it? No. He is on his last field of hay. He's got about 2 more hours. He's not sure he's gonna make it. And you got your goofball? Here, give me your goofball. Oh! Okay, your goofball. They have more energy than I do tonight. I am glad I got feeding done early. I am really glad we got that hay tarped. So tomorrow, because of the rain. Okay, stop. Here. So, because of the rain, we will work sheep tomorrow. but we got to fix the barn first, and then we will trade out the breeding groups. And yeah, the kids want to play, so Nimbus, hey, stop. Oh my gosh, stop, just stop. So I'm gonna call it a night. Let these two run off some energy. They've been cooped up all day. Have a good week. We'll see you next time.